Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are to discuss about extract text activity, which is under the formatting group. So basically, what actually this extract text activity will do? So what we are going to extract? So email ID, website. So those many steps which can be done using this extract text activity. So which is ideally help us to reduce our expressions which are going to use in our UiPath Studio. This activity which is very useful and very efficient when you're going to manipulate with the strings, or you're going to fetch any email ID or a particular website, or you're going to start an end node we are going to capture. So those all many steps, this particular activity will going to play a vital role for development areas. So let me quickly jump back to the UiPath Studio and start our today's session. Let me go to the UiPath Studio. So here let me drag and drop this extract text activity. So once I drag and drop the extract text activity, so here you can see what to extract. Value between the two strings, or you're going to extract the email address or URL or the text from the HTML code. So all these four kind of an operation can be done using this help of this particular activity. So in the source text, we are going to place our source text where you are going to preview the output over here. Also, you can create a variable and you can able to get this output in a right line, or you can store in any kind of a variable. So which help us to use in our code. So you can directly use some of the text and play with this particular activity. So let me take the first example over here, which contain the email address. So let me copy this, and here inside the source text, let me try to paste this entire text. So once I paste here, let me change to email ID. So when I change it to email ID, I can see the particular email ID which is in this particular paragraph has been captured automatically. So we didn't made any string manipulation or any kind of an operation we didn't made actually. So with the help of this particular activity, we are able to identify the particular mail ID and we are able to extract that. So usually how we used to do, so you used to make a regression operation, so where you can able to get this particular email ID. Here using this particular activity, you are going to just select in the drop down option, you are going to select the email address where you will be getting the email address in the particular text. So let me go to the next option, so which is capturing the URL. So let me try to copy this particular data. Let me go back to the UiPath Studio and then let me enlarge it, clear, and paste it over there. So after that, so we can change to URLs. So basically it helps us to identify the URL and then provide to us to use in the next development activities. So here you can see this particular HTTP URL. So it has been extracted this URL from the entire data which are given, right? So in this entire paragraph, it has been identified, hey, this is an HTTP URL which need to be captured, and then it has been captured and provided to us here. So likewise, so we are able to get this particular URL easily. So previous way the same thing. So you used to apply the regression and then we used to get this particular data, right? So here it's very simple. So and the next thing, so let me make it as value between two strings. So for value between two strings, so we usually used to apply the substrings to get the particular data which you are looking on. So in this entire paragraphs, so if you want to capture from this guide to this entire line or this sustainability, how to capture this? So how to use this? So it's very simple. So you can directly copy and paste this particular word over here as a start text. So after that, so if you want to capture till the journey, okay. So let me try to copy this, or let me try to copy this only this particular word, and then try to provide over here. So what it will do, it will capture this guide, and the entire thing has been shown here from this guide, right? So from this guide to till this particular line has been captured now. So let me try to create a variable so that you can see entire data. So what has been captured? Substring data. Let me drag and drop a right line over here and then try to print the output. Let me make it a substring 0. So here inside the variable panel you can able to see this is enumerable string. So that's why I just use as a 0. Otherwise I will be just only calling the variable. If you don't want the variable as an enumerable, you can directly go here and then you can create your respective variable in the first extracted text. So let me try to save this and let me try to run this now. I guess our execution is done. Let me go to the output panel. I can see the entire text has been captured, right? So likewise, it makes our job very easier, and then it will make our job in a fraction of second. So no need to write a huge expression and get the data which you're looking for. So using this activity, you can easily manipulate or interpret with the data and capture what the data which you're looking on the entire paragraph. So also let me go to the last feature, which is text from HTML code. So let me change to that. So here it will help us to get the data which is in the HTML code. So let me go here and then just try to clear this whole data, try to paste it up. So click on save. So here you can see in preview, hi team, good day, welcome back to the YouTube channel. You just reboot the work. So it's very simple, right? So it has been extracted all the data which are in a HTML code. So otherwise we have to remove this p tag, each and every stuffs. But here it has been extracted everything and given in a simpler format where you can convertible or you can directly get ahead and use this into the whole of your code. So likewise, this particular extract text activity, which makes your job very easier and help you to convert the data in the next format in a short span without using any expression. I hope this particular video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.